Hey, I'm glad you're here with me today. I've got an awesome product. If you've got something that's been out in the weather and is starting to rust, you're going to want to check this out with me. First thing I got to do though is I got to get my power washer out so I can prep my job that I'm going to do today. So let's do it. Here we go. Go figure. So the whole prep work thing is going to have to be done somewhere else because my power washer does not want to start. I've been yanking and pulling on this thing and just well, it's too bad my power washer didn't start, but I want to get this project done, and you know, this just will go to show that hey, you know what? If you don't own a power washer, don't feel like renting one, then you can just go to the you do it yourself car wash and use their power washer. So now that I'm here, I'm thinking about it, and I'm kind of happy my power washer didn't start because now all the rust that I'm going to blow off this frame, all the scaly rust, it'll all be here, and I won't have to clean it up. So definitely a beautiful day out for sure. Well, let's get some change. Get in there and make this happen. More. Feed it. Let's turn it on. Alrighty. Now, here we go. See all that rust. Just gonna get in here and try to blow off as much as I can. All the crap falling off. Yeah, it's all scaly. All kinds of rust coming off there. See all the rust coming off of there. So these holes here. Get all this loose stuff off. This loose paint. Get all this off here. So I'm going to treat this too. See that? Get all this loose stuff off of here. Look at all that. A little wet, so make sure you wear safety glasses when you do this too, because there's rust all over the place. Look at all that scaly rust I got off here. So it's everywhere, man. Look at that. It's all over the place, man. We're going to get out of here, we're going to get home, and we'll reevaluate everything, and then I'll show you how to put this product on. Alright, we're finally to it. Of course, I had to give it a little bit of time to dry out. You can see where we blew it off real good with the power washer here. We'll apply that here, but see these little bubbles right here? I'm going to go ahead and take this razor blade. I'm going to cut this like this and expose this. Something the power washer couldn't get at. Alright, or look at the water coming out of it. I originally bought this for the frame. You know, converting the frame over. Put the rust converter primer on here. It'll buy me a little time till I can get to doing the body work. Alright, well here's the product we're going to use. In order to apply this product, we're going to need a Tupperware bowl, a brush, a good quality brush that can handle solvents. I'm going to have a scraper around in case I have anything else I got to scrape up. Gloves just so nothing gets on my hands. And I cannot stress enough to wear safety glasses. So basically what we need to do is get this shook up really good. We don't want to thin this product. We'll just put it right into our bowl and apply it with this brush right onto our surface. You got up to 30 days to recoat it if you want with a paint or another primer or whatever you want to do. So in this situation, all I did was basically I dabbed and filled the area. And then after I got it all filled up, I just did a nice brush stroke like this. So then you might want to ask, well, how far does that product go? Well, you know what? It goes pretty far. You know, I'm just starting to touch base with it. But I am applying this to everything that's got rust on it. I'm not being picky. Dude, a gallon is probably gonna do this whole truck easy. So yes, this sucker is in my front yard. I might as well do this too. Results. Let's check it out. Pipe looks excellent now. Look at the sewer cap a couple days later. And you see this. Rusted rear end. It's all rusty from the back. So anyway, if this is your first time here, go ahead, check out the rest of my channel. Consider subscribing. I'm into fish hobby. I do all kinds of different rounded things. That's why they call me Rounded Rob. So hit the notification bell so you can see all the new videos.